across the Americas. The changing environment also influenced migration patterns. As previously ice-covered routes became passable, groups of people spread out, exploring new territories and establishing settlements in regions that were once inhospitable. This period of adaptation and exploration laid the groundwork for the rich tapestry of indigenous cultures that would eventually flourish across the continent. The advancement of genetic research has revolutionized our understanding of human migration, particularly in the context of the first Americans. Ancient DNA sequencing has provided concrete evidence about the migration patterns of early populations. By analyzing the genetic material extracted from ancient remains, scientists have been able to trace the lineage and migration routes of these early inhabitants. One of the most significant discoveries came from the ancient remains found in the Yucatan Peninsula, which date back over 12,000 years. These remains, known as Naya, offer invaluable insights into the genetic makeup of the first people to inhabit the Americas. Further genetic studies have revealed connections between these ancient populations and contemporary indigenous communities, reinforcing the deep historical ties and continuity of these cultures. This genetic evidence not only maps out migration routes, but also highlights the resilience and adaptability of early human populations as they navigated diverse and often challenging environments. By bridging the gap between ancient and modern DNA, researchers are able to paint a more detailed and accurate picture of how the Americas were first populated. One of the most groundbreaking advancements in understanding the migration patterns of the first Americans comes from the sequencing of ancient DNA. In recent years, scientists have been able to extract and analyze genetic material from ancient remains, providing a clearer picture of how the Americas were populated. A significant discovery was made in the Yucatan Peninsula, where the remains of a young girl named Naya were found in an underwater cave. Dating back over 12,000 years, Naya's DNA revealed a direct genetic link to modern indigenous peoples, supporting the theory that the earliest inhabitants of the Americas originated from a single population that migrated from Siberia across the Bering Land Bridge. Further genetic studies have confirmed that the descendants of these early migrants spread throughout North and South America, adapting to diverse environments and forming distinct cultural groups. For instance, the analysis of the Anzac, one child, an infant buried with Clovis artifacts in Montana, demonstrated genetic ties to contemporary Native American tribes. These findings not only illuminate the pathways our ancestors took, but also highlight the resilience and adaptability of human populations over millennia.